Hello, this is Natalie Saldana with Week 7 discussion post. So, should deadlifts be avoided? I personally do not think so, and from what I found, the research does not think so either. And I'm almost positive most of the athletic community would argue that deadlifts should not be avoided, just because of the great benefits that many athletes can testify to, including myself. So, according to NSCA, National Strength and Conditioning Association, some research suggests that long-term lifting with deadlifts and squats promotes an increase in bone density in younger populations and also helps to maintain increase into later stages of life. Being able to deadlift is a skill that can help tactical personnel such as physical therapists, occupational therapists, fire, military, and police personnel, as well as athletes and the general population. The deadlift is a foundation for all other ground-based lifts, so think cleans and snatches. It is an important strength movement for many of us athletes. The reason being because it uses multiple muscle groups, both in the lower extremities and upper extremities, such as the quads, hamstrings, glutes, abductor magnus, spinal rectors, lats, traps, rhomboids, abdominals, and obliques. This is why it's such a powerhouse of a movement. That being said, I do not believe deadlifts should be avoided with very few exceptions. If one or more muscle groups needed to complete a deadlift are injured, or if someone has no knowledge, has no prior understanding as to proper form for deadlifting, I believe they should avoid the deadlift until they understand proper technique. So that being said, some technique that can help to avoid injury and actually better your deadlifts are number one, according to NSCA, head posture. So the head should be forward and slightly looking up. This helps to keep the shoulders back and allows the spine to stay more erect. And this also goes into technique 2, so lat activation. Lats should be engaged. When deadlifting, we want the bar as close to the center of our mass as possible. Activating the lats creates proper posture for lifting weights safely, keeping shoulders from dropping and the back from rounding. So this is why you'll see many coaches and trainers train their clients and athletes to scrape their shins with the bar. This helps keep the bar in proper place and helps our posture to be in the correct place as well. So technique 3, always try to push the knees apart. This helps to engage proper muscles during lifts such as the glutes. So active glutes helps to stabilize the pelvis, and driving the knees apart helps to maximize hip extension. This ensures a strong supportive base. Another tip that is really great for lifting is when it comes to deadlifts is thinking about trying to spread the ground with your feet. So all of that being said, again, I do not believe that deadlifts should be avoided with very few exceptions. Thank you.